Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my Walgreens haul. I did 4 quick and easy deals, plus I found some amazing clearance items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into my Walgreens haul for this week. Now, yesterday evening I started feeling a little bit under the weather, so this is going to be a quick video. But yesterday morning I did run out to Walgreens. I wanted to do a few quick and easy deals to share with you all. I am working with a digital spend booster for spend $22, earn back $6 in Walgreens cash rewards this week. And I knew that I wanted to use that, but I didn't know how I was going to use it because I didn't have any register rewards to work with to lower my out-of-pocket. So I'm going to walk y'all through step by step the transactions that I did. I'm going to show you the coupons, how much I paid out of pocket. You can use Walgreens cash on most of these deals, and I'm going to show you all. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first up, we have the Crest with Scope mouthwash. These are on sale for $4.99 each. So that's going to put you at $14.97. We have a 6 off 3 digital coupon. I'm going to pop it up here on your screen. So that's the reason why you want to pick up a total of 3 so you can use that digital coupon. We also have a promotion this week for when you purchase 2, you're going to earn back a $5 register reward. So there's my first register reward that I received back. Like I said, you can use Walgreens cash to pay on this deal. Here's a look at my receipt. Picking up 3 is $14.97. That $6 digital coupon did come off. Subtotal $8.97. Again, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. I think I ended up just paying it out of pocket though. Yeah, I wasn't. It's been a long week, guys. But you get back a $5 register reward. So that's going to make your final price $3.97 for all 3, making those $1.32 each. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. We can always use a good deal on mouthwash, all right? So I'm going to do a little rearranging. I'm going to show you the second transaction that I did at Walgreens. Alright guys, so here was the second transaction that I did. If you're a beginner, well, just start out with these small deals. That way you can tell exactly what happened if a coupon didn't apply, and then you can void the transaction at the register. It's a little bit easier to figure out versus throwing everything into one huge transaction and then trying to figure out if something went wrong or not, okay? So that's what I recommend. But here we have some Colgate products, and they are completely free this week at Walgreens. Now these are very, very delicately balanced. I cannot believe that toothbrush is standing up like that. So we have Colgate products that are on sale this week for $2.99, and we have 1 off 1 digital coupons. Now I did have an issue with this transaction because the 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothbrushes did not want to attach. I tried 2 different kinds of the toothbrushes that were on sale. Neither one of them worked. So my cashier very, very nicely just adjusted the price down for me to $1.99. So it still worked out. But if you have that issue, you can definitely pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpastes if you don't want to take that chance, because we do have 2 1 off 1 digital coupons for the Colgate toothpaste, and it would work out the same. So picking up 2, we do have a promotion going on this week for when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So here's a look at my receipt. Again, she did manually adjust the price down on that Colgate toothbrush for me, so that's why it's showing $1.99. There is the toothpaste right underneath it for $2.99. That 1 off 1 manufacturer coupon did work on the toothpaste, so no problems there. My subtotal was $3.98. Again, that's going to be your subtotal as well because my cashier did adjust that price down on the toothbrush. So subtotal $3.98, but you're getting back a $4 register reward, makes these 2 items completely free. All right, so for my third transaction, we have Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails vitamins. These are on sale, buy one and get one for free. They are priced at $9.99 each in the store. Now some accounts, not all accounts, received a $3.50 off one digital coupon. I'll pop it up here on the screen, and a 3 off one digital coupon. So if you have both of those on your account, y'all can do this deal. So picking up two at $9.99 each with that sale. Here's a look at my receipt. It's going to take that second one off and zero it out for you. There's both of those digital coupons applying right there, the $3.50 off one and the 3 off one. That's going to put your subtotal at $3.49 for two. So that is a great deal, $20 worth of vitamins for $3.50. That makes those $1.74 each. So I thought that was a really great deal, really cheap and easy deal that you guys can do at Walgreens this week. All right, little rearranging and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is my fourth transaction that I did at Walgreens yesterday. And this is the deal where I wanted to use my spin booster. So remember earlier in the video, I showed y'all my spin booster. It's spend $22, earn back $6 in Walgreens cash rewards. And luckily, this week at Walgreens, they have an awesome sale and promotion going on the Charmin, Bounty, Tide, and Downy products. Okay, so they're on sale too for $11. Y'all can mix and match however you would like. And when you purchase 4, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. So I wanted to pair up my spin booster with this deal and then get back that $6 register reward. Now let's talk about coupons that you guys can use if you want to do this deal. First of all, you should have, some areas are still receiving the Tide and the Downy coupons. If you have those in your P&G inserts, you could definitely use those. If I'm remembering correctly, those typically lasted all month long when I received them in my area. I no longer get them anymore. So if you have those, you can definitely use those with this deal. Also, we have a 1-off-1 Charmin digital coupon. So if you wanted to throw in a Charmin, you could definitely do that and lower your out-of-pocket a little bit. And then also, if you don't have the Tide or Downy coupons in your area, you can go to the pngoodeveryday.com website and print them off. Now, I'm pretty sure, if I'm remembering correctly, that it is a limit of 2 like coupons per account. And you have to, I think they expire within a 24-hour period. So make sure that y'all print them off either on the day that you're going to go shopping at Walgreens or like the night before or something like that. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I haven't printed any off from there in a while, but if I'm remembering correctly, that's how it worked. So there's y'all a couple of options to get some manufacturer coupons to use with this deal. Now, again, I'm not working with any coupons whatsoever, and that's why I wanted to go in and grab up those register rewards so that I could use them on this deal to lower my out-of-pocket. So I picked up 2 of the Bounty paper towels. One of the 2 rolls equals 5, and then the Bounty Essentials, 6 rolls equals 8. I probably would have picked up 2 of the Bounty Essentials if they had them, but they only had 1 left. So, and then I threw in 2 of the Tide Pods. Y'all, if you're like me, you want to get the most bang for your buck, pay attention to how many are in the packaging, because this is 16. Both of these are 16, but there were some there that were 12 count. So, if you're like me and you pay attention to those sizes, you want to get the most for your money, right? Alright guys, so let's take a quick look at my receipt here. As y'all can see, all the items that I picked up were $5.50 each on sale. Down here at the bottom, there's 2 manufacturer coupons, and that is that $5 register reward from the Crest mouthwash deal and the $4 register reward from the Colgate toothbrush and toothpaste deal. So my subtotal was $13, and I did pay that out of pocket since I was working with a spend booster. You want to pay that out of pocket. If you're not using a spend booster, you can definitely use Walgreens cash to pay. All right. So paid $13 out of pocket. I did receive back the $6 for the spend booster, $6.22. Now, my register reward did not print on this deal. Not sure what happened. Not sure if well, all of the products that I picked up were marked and tagged at 2 for $11 with that $6 register reward deal. So I'm not sure if it's just a thing with the system, Maybe they didn't put in a UPC code. Not sure what's going on. But that $6 register reward did not print. So my lovely cashier gave me $6 in Walgreens cash instead to take place of that $6 register reward. Now, if you guys do not have cool cashiers that will do that, you can definitely call customer service. I've never had any issues with customer service giving me Walgreens cash when register rewards didn't print off. And I've had to call them several times over the past couple of weeks. So $6 in Walgreens cash back. So that got me a total back of $12. $12 in Walgreens cash since that register reward didn't print, making my final price $1 for all of these items, and I'm super, super happy with this deal. All right, guys, now I'm going to do a little rearranging. I'm going to show you all a couple of products that I picked up on clearance. All right, guys, so here's a couple of clearance finds that I picked up. There was a lot more in my store, and I'll show you guys some pictures. Some things were out of stock, but there's a lot of really low, like 20-cent clearance items floating around out there. So I'm going to show you all some pictures of once we get done with this little transaction right here. So I found these Chomps little, what is this? Jalapeno beef sticks. So like beef jerky. They also had the original, but those were already sold out. These were up near the register, and they were 20 cents each. Now, my kids love beef jerky, and especially the jalapeno ones. So I grabbed every single one that they had at 22 cents each. You can't beat it. And then we also had these birthday cards. 20, I think this is 20 birthday card. 12 birthday cards. And this box was only 20 cents as well. So 22 cents on the beef jerky sticks and 20 cents on the birthday cards. Here's a look at my receipt. So subtotal was $2.18. I used $2 in Walgreens cash to pay. So I think with tax it was 44 cents for all of these items. So be on the lookout. If you see these items, take them up to the register if they're not marked as clearance and have the cashier price check. Now I'm also going to show you all some pictures right now. Alright guys, so here's a few clearance items that I found at my store. Feel free to pause and read the tags on the ones that don't have the pictures of the exact item. A lot of these were already sold out, but these are great prices. If you see these items at your store, take them up to the register and ask the cashier to price check them because you can't beat it. 78 cents, 18 cents, 60 cents. So make sure that y'all are checking your first aid section, your vitamin section, your pet food section. They had dog treats, cat treats, all kinds of good stuff on clearance. And then also make sure that you check up near the register. That's where I found those beef jerky sticks. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. Again, I apologize that this video was a little bit unorganized or not as organized as you guys are used to seeing from me, but again, just kind of feeling under the weather today, so y'all bear with me. I'll be back to 100% here in a couple of days, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys can get out there and grab up some of these deals. Now, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really does make a huge difference in how my videos perform on YouTube. It tells them to recommend this to other couponers. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. I'm going to go take a nap, and I'll see you guys on the next one.